At a welcome event for new classmates, 5 students stand in a single line for the welcome photo: Anna, Ben, Kara, Dan, and Aaron. How many different lineups are possible? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Hint: fill the line one spot at a time. Here is the trick. Think about filling the line one spot at a time. The first spot in the line. Any of the 5 students can stand there, so 5 ways. Now the second spot. 1 student is already used, so 4 students left, 4 ways. Now the third spot. 3 students left, 3 ways. Now the fourth spot. 2 students left, 2 ways. Now the last spot. Only 1 student left, 1 way. So in total, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 120 different lineups. We write this 120 as 5 factorial. The exclamation mark means multiply down to 1. Why do we multiply? Because each spot is an independent choice. For every choice in the first spot, we have 4 ways for the second spot. So far, 5 times 4 equals 20 different starts. For each of those starts, 3 ways for the third spot, and so on. Every layer multiplies on top of the last. That is how we get 120 lineups so quickly. The answer is 120 lineups. Let me show you the big idea. This is the factorial lineup rule. If you arrange n distinct people in a line, then the count is n factorial. Multiply n times n minus 1 times n minus 2, all the way down to 1. Look for the words, how many ways to arrange n distinct items in a line. That is when this rule applies. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.